If you sell on Amazon, you have run an ad campaign to promote your items and increase sales. There is almost nothing complex here. But what about running campaigns in different countries? Managing paid ads across multiple Amazon marketplaces and languages poses both challenges and opportunities for online business. My name is Kamil and I'm an account manager at WebInterpret, and in this video you learn how to manage multi-country Amazon advertising with ease. Before we start, why would you ever need to promote your items abroad? Selling internationally on marketplaces can help unlock full sales potential and mitigate risk. But how exactly? First of all, it's the opportunity to test new markets. Advertising internationally gives a chance to explore new markets and find profitable opportunities. The ultimate goal is to investigate which markets have lower competition and thus offer better ROAS. When paid marketing campaigns reach a plateau in a given market over time, acquisition costs can significantly increase without adequate return on investment. This means a little room for growth. Exploring less competitive markets with lower CPCs can help increase profitability in such cases. The second key benefit is building brand awareness abroad. A successful expansion strategy is about more than just sales. Sometimes, launching into new markets requires investing in brand awareness first. Building a solid brand presence in a new environment is a complex process, and advertising can be one step in it. Amazon's sponsored brand campaign is a perfect ad format for building brand awareness, establishing trust, credibility, and customer loyalty within a dynamic e-commerce landscape. A well-recognized brand can set itself apart from the competition and strengthen its relationship with its audience, ensuring more visibility and thus more sales. Okay, so now let's figure out the challenges of multi-country advertising and how to overcome them. Advertising internationally on Amazon unlocks a new world of opportunities, but it's not without its challenges. The platform and algorithm are constantly updated, and when combined with the cultural nuances and language barrier nature, sellers need a flexible and adaptive approach. First up, let's talk about overcoming language and cultural barriers. Amazon dominance as a digital retailer gives sellers access to a large, engaged customer base. However, to truly succeed, you need to optimize your strategies for different markets. One way to maximize ROI is by employing localized keyword research and ad copy optimization. Adapting language, imagery, and messaging to resonate with specific cultural preferences enhances engagement and conversion rates. Next, let's talk about translation and localization. Simply translating your ads isn't enough. Localization involves adapting your content to fit the cultural context of your target market. This includes everything from common phrasing and tone to ensuring product descriptions and sizes are accurately converted. If you want to learn more about this topic, here is a video about the difference between translation and localization. We'll add the link to the localization and SEO for marketplaces video as a pinned comment to this video. Lastly, let's discuss navigating frequent updates and changes on Amazon. The platform regularly rolls out new features and changes which can affect your strategies more than you might expect. The key to success lies in continuous learning and adaptation. Stay abreast of market trends, leverage data analytics, and maintain flexibility to adjust strategies based on performance metrics and evolving market dynamics. One more thing, advertising your products to everyone, everywhere can be a waste of time and money. Instead, focus on understanding your goals, your target audience, and what you want to achieve with your strategy. To help you out, we've created a checklist that will help you create a winning strategy and navigate the complexities of multi-country advertising on Amazon. Find the first link in the description and get it absolutely for free. We hope you found these tips helpful for managing your multi-country Amazon advertising campaign. Remember, expanding internationally can unlock new sales potential and mitigate risks, but it requires a strategic approach. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you in the next video.